You're absolutely kidding. You are absolutely kidding. You're kidding.
From 15 nautical miles northwest of New Baltimore to 11 nautical miles northwest.
You're kidding, aren't you?
Shores to 11 nautical miles northwest of Wyandotte, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near St. Clair shores around 8:25 p.m. Mount Clemens Harbor of Refuge and Metro Beach Metro Park Marina around 8:35 p.m. New Baltimore and St. Clair Flats Old Channel Light around 8:40 p.m. Grosse Pointe around 8:55 p.m. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm